Let's do a short mindfulness practice together. It will bring us here into the present moment, into our bodies and out of our heads. It's a grounding meditation. Find a comfortable posture with both feet on the floor or on your cushion or on the ground. Allowing the eyes to close gently if that feels okay, or just lower your gaze. Now bringing attention to the areas of contact that your feet are having with the floor or the ground or your cushion. Feeling into your feet. Noticing the solidity of the ground under your feet. Maybe the feeling where your shoes are in contact with your feet. Now moving on to the thighs and buttocks and noticing where they have contact with your chair or cushion or the ground. Just allowing the ground and the chair and the cushion to hold and support your body without you needing to do anything. Now moving the attention to your back. Where does your back touch the back of the chair? Or your clothing? Now moving the attention to your hands. Feeling into your hands. Maybe noticing the position of your hands. Maybe noticing where they are touching. Perhaps the chair, your thighs, your other hand. Now opening the awareness, feeling your entire body sitting here in this moment on this chair or cushion or ground. And now for the last minute of our meditation, bringing the attention to the breath. If you like, you can make the next couple of breaths a little bit deeper so you can really feel the breath. Ask yourself this question: where do you feel it the most? And where are the sensations the most pleasant? At the nostrils, where the air comes in? At the back of your throat, in your chest as your lungs expand, or maybe in your belly. Using that place as the anchor for your attention, this is where you come back to over and over whenever the mind wanders off. Now letting the breath just breathe itself. No need to make it any other way than it wants to be. And when you notice your attention is somewhere else, gently bring it back to the breath. No judgments, no shame, just back to the breath. In a moment, I will ring a bell, and that will end our mindfulness practice. Keep breathing, noticing your breath. I'm so glad that you found my mindfulness channel. I hope that you'll return often. I'm Sarah, I'm a meditation instructor, and my goal with this channel is to help women be more present in their lives so they can enrich their relationships in better ways, feel more connected to themselves, as well as handle stress better. So I'd love it if you join me by subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like to know about meditation. Always looking for topics as I try to grow the channel. Take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.